Imagine uncovering a living relic from a world that existed hundreds of millions of years ago, a creature that appears almost unchanged from its prehistoric ancestors. Today we embark on an exploration of living fossils, species that have withstood the test of time and still thrive in modern ecosystems. In this video, we'll explore 10 examples of such animals, explaining their defining characteristics and evolutionary significance. First up, the coelacanth. Discovered off the coast of South Africa in 1938, the coelacanth is a deep-sea fish that was presumed extinct since the late Cretaceous. With lobed, fleshy fins that resemble the limbs of early tetrapods and a unique combination of cartilage and bone in its skeleton, the coelacanth provides invaluable insight into the evolutionary transition from aquatic to terrestrial life. Its slow metabolism and low reproductive rate have contributed to its survival in the deep, dark ocean, making it one of the most extraordinary living links to our planet's distant past. Another ancient marine survivor is the horseshoe crab, which has roamed the earth for over 450 million years, making it one of the oldest known arthropods. Their hard exoskeleton, multiple eyes, and distinctive tail have remained largely unchanged, a testament to their evolutionary success. Notably, their blue blood contains compounds that are vital in the medical industry for detecting bacterial endotoxins, underscoring their importance beyond pure natural history. Additionally, their mass spawning events along coastal shores play a crucial role in supporting the diets of migratory birds and other marine species, proving their essential place in coastal habitats. Their remarkable resilience in the face of environmental challenges continues to offer valuable insights into evolutionary biology. Shifting our focus from arthropods to cephalopods, our journey continues with a creature that has thrived in the ocean's depths for millions of years. The Nautilus is a cephalopod renowned for its elegant, logarithmically spiraled shell, which is divided into chambers that help regulate its buoyancy. This living fossil has persisted for around 500 million years, maintaining a body structure that has scarcely changed since the early days of ammonites. Inhabiting tropical waters of the Indo-Pacific, the Nautilus uses primitive yet effective sensory organs to navigate the dark ocean, providing a direct connection to early marine life. Next, we journey to a land-based relic that has survived for millions of years. Native to New Zealand, the Tuatara is not a lizard, but the only surviving member of an ancient reptilian order known as Rhynchocephalia. With its unique features, including a well-developed parietal eye on the top of its head, a slow metabolism, and prolonged reproductive cycle, the Tuatara has changed very little in over 200 million years. Its genetic makeup and physiology provide scientists with a living archive of reptilian evolution, making it one of the most important species for studying our planet's distant past. Leaving the terrestrial environment of the Tuatara, we dive back into the aquatic habitats with another ancient fish. Sturgeons are large, bony fish that have existed since the early Mesozoic era, roughly 200 million years ago. They are also characterized by their elongated bodies, rows of bony scuts, and heterocircle tails, which reflect an anatomy that has seen little change over the vast periods of time. Despite modern challenges such as overfishing and habitat degradation, sturgeons remain a powerful example of evolutionary stability in the aquatic world. With the sturgeon highlighting ancient fish anatomy, we now turn to a jawless species that holds a key to early vertebrate history. Lampreys are jawless eel-like fish that have roamed the waters for over 360 million years. Their distinctive suction cup mouths, lined with rows of sharp, keratinous teeth, enable them to latch onto other fish and extract blood and bodily fluids. The lamprey's life cycle, which includes a long larval stage in the soft sediments, provides critical information about the early evolution of vertebrates and the development of parasitic lifestyles. Next, we examine an arthropod that has long evoked both fear and fascination. Scorpions are among the most ancient terrestrial arthropods, with a fossil record that dates back nearly 450 million years. These predators possess segmented bodies, powerful pincers, and venomous tails equipped with stingers, features that have remained remarkably consistent over time. Their ability to survive in extreme environments, ranging from scorching deserts to humid forests, and to survive in dormant states when conditions demand, demonstrating their evolutionary resilience. Up next is a reptilian relic, famous for its powerful presence. Crocodiles are large, semi-aquatic reptiles whose lineage extends back over 200 million years. Their robust, armed bodies, powerful jaws, and effective ambush strategies have allowed them to dominate their aquatic habitats through dramatic climate and environmental shifts. Despite changes in their surroundings, crocodiles exhibit many of the same anatomical and behavioral traits as their prehistoric ancestors, offering a living snapshot of life during the age of the dinosaurs. From the ancient reptiles of the crocodile, we now explore a fish that bridges the gap between aquatic and terrestrial life. Lungfish are remarkable for their ability to breathe both in water and on land, a feature that has enabled them to survive for over 400 million years. They possess both gills and lung-like structures, allowing them to cope with fluctuating environmental conditions by estivating in mud during dry periods. This dual respiratory system not only demonstrates a unique evolutionary adaptation, but also provides a vital link in understanding the transition from aquatic to terrestrial vertebrates. Finally, after examining vertebrates that have changed little over time, we turn our attention to an invertebrate group that has persisted through 500 million years. Crinoids, commonly known as sea lilies, are echinoderms that have existed for nearly 500 million years. They are attached to the seafloor by a slender stalk and possess feathery arms that they use to filter food from the water. Their simple yet enduring body structures has changed little over time, offering a clear example of how effective natural designs can remain stable even in the face of massive evolutionary pressures. The study of living fossils is not only about cataloging ancient species, but also about understanding the environmental conditions that allowed these organisms to persist. Many of these species occupy ecological niches that have remained relatively stable over millions of years, providing them with an advantage. For instance, deep sea environments where coelacanths and nautiluses reside often experience fewer drastic changes compared to terrestrial habitats, allowing these creatures to retain their ancestral traits. Similarly, the slow reproductive cycles and low metabolic rates seen in species like the Tuatara and the Sturgeon contribute to the longevity by reducing evolutionary pressures for rapid adaptation. Moreover, these ancient species serve as natural laboratories for scientists. They offer insights into evolutionary processes, including how life can be remarkably resilient in the face of catastrophic events such as mass extinctions. The preservation of these lineages provides a unique opportunity to study the molecular and genetic underpinnings of survival over geological timescales. In an era where modern ecosystems are rapidly changing due to human impact, understanding how these living fossils have maintained their stability can inform conservation strategists for vulnerable species. These creatures challenge our understanding of evolution, emphasizing that sometimes nature's original blueprints are best left unaltered. Thank you for joining me on this factual journey through time. If you found this exploration of prehistoric creatures enlightening, please like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and keep uncovering the extraordinary secrets of our planet's past.